In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Acrobat Pro. Keeping Acrobat Pro up to date is important for security, stability, and access to the latest features. Updates often fix bugs, improve performance, and make your PDFs more secure, so it's a good habit to check regularly. Before you begin, make sure you've saved any open documents. While an update usually doesn't take long, Acrobat may need to close and reopen, and you don't want to lose changes. A stable internet connection will help the update download smoothly, and depending on your computer settings, you might need permission from an administrator to install changes. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so the interface is ready. If you're working in an older interface or a newer redesigned one, don't worry, the process is essentially the same. Next, go to the upper right area of the Acrobat window and click the main menu. This is typically represented by a menu or hamburger icon. If you're on Windows and you prefer the classic menu bar, you can also reveal it by pressing the Alt key, which brings up options like File, Edit, Ian, and Help. On macOS, remember that application menus appear at the very top of the screen. Once the menu is open, look for the Help section and hover your mouse over it to expand the available options. You should see an entry labeled Check for Updates. Hovering first ensures you're in the right place and lets you confirm you're selecting the update tool, not something else like online help or tutorials. Click Check for Updates. Acrobat will now contact Adobe's servers and scan for any available patches or new versions. If you're already up to date, you'll see a confirmation message, and you can continue using the app right away. If an update is available, you'll be prompted to download and install it. Follow the on-screen instructions. The updater will guide you through the process, which may include accepting terms and briefly closing Acrobat. Let it complete without interrupting, and keep the app open until you receive the success message. After installation finishes, Acrobat may relaunch. If you want to double check that everything worked, return to the Help menu and look for the About option to view your version number. If your organization manages software centrally, updates might be controlled by your IT team, so you may see a message indicating that no manual action is needed. That's it. Your Adobe Acrobat Pro is now updated and ready to use. Regularly checking for updates helps keep your documents secure and your workflow running smoothly.